Hey everyone, welcome back to Sir Boat's Yacht. If you're a fan of luxurious cruising and beautiful maritime experiences, you're in for a treat today. In this video, we're diving deep into one of the most stunning vessels on the water, the Amira Cruises. Whether you're an avid cruiser or just someone who loves exploring gorgeous ships, the Amira Cruises is bound to impress. Stick around as we explore its key features, design, interior, performance, and unique selling points. Let's get started.
The Amira Cruises is not your average boat. It's a magnificent floating resort offering an incredible cruising experience, particularly around some of the world's most scenic coastal destinations. What makes this ship stand out? For starters, the Amira Cruises boasts a multi-deck design, perfect for travelers who want a bit of everything: luxury, relaxation, and a touch of adventure. With a total of 5 decks, this vessel offers ample space for relaxation and activities. Whether you're enjoying a private moment on the balcony of your stateroom or hanging out on one of the open decks, there's plenty of room to take in the spectacular surroundings. It's designed to accommodate a wide range of passengers in comfort and style, without feeling overcrowded. The ship is equipped with everything you'd expect from a high-end cruise, such as restaurants, bars, a spa, a fitness center, and even a sun deck for those who want to soak up the sun. Another standout feature is its serene, family-friendly environment. The Amira Cruises has been meticulously designed to cater to travelers of all ages, whether you're on a romantic getaway or a family vacation. Spacious family suites and numerous entertainment options make it a great choice for people traveling with kids, but it never compromises on luxury. When it comes to design, the Amira Cruises exudes modern sophistication while embracing traditional Vietnamese elements. The sleek white exterior of the ship is both elegant and eye-catching, making it easy to spot from afar. From the moment you lay eyes on it, you can tell that this ship was built with both style and functionality in mind. It offers a combination of contemporary aesthetics and timeless appeal, drawing on elements of classic ship design and merging them with modern technology. The ship's exterior is further enhanced by large, expansive windows which allow natural light to flood into the ship's interior, creating an open, airy atmosphere. Not only does this help passengers enjoy panoramic views of the sea, but it also creates a feeling of connection to the environment. The ship's design focuses on both style and practicality, ensuring passengers feel at ease wherever they go on board.
In addition to the outer design, the Amira Cruises upper deck features a spacious sundeck area where passengers can unwind, enjoy drinks, and lounge in luxury. It's the perfect spot for watching the sunrise or sunset, and it also offers a great view of the surrounding seascape. The overall design of the ship makes it clear that the creators were focused on making every part of the vessel a luxurious, practical, and enjoyable space for its guests.
Let's move inside the ship. The interior of the Amira Cruises is just as impressive as its exterior, designed to deliver a first-class experience at every turn. The moment you step into the ship, you're greeted with an elegant lobby area featuring a modern, yet classic design. Large, welcoming spaces with comfortable seating areas allow guests to relax and enjoy the ambience. The cabins, or staterooms, aboard the Amira Cruises are where the magic truly happens. Spacious and tastefully furnished, these rooms offer an intimate retreat where passengers can unwind after a day of activities. The decor is a beautiful blend of contemporary design and subtle traditional Vietnamese influences, making each stateroom feel both modern and culturally rich. With options for standard cabins, suites, and even family rooms, the ship is designed to cater to a wide range of passengers. Each room is equipped with modern amenities like air conditioning, flat-screen TVs, minibars, and private bathrooms with sleek, high-quality fixtures. The luxury doesn't stop with the rooms. The ship's dining areas are a real highlight, offering a variety of cuisines that showcase both international flavors and authentic Vietnamese dishes. From the buffet-style restaurants to fine dining options, you'll always find something that suits your taste. The elegant decor of the dining rooms creates an upscale, relaxed atmosphere where you can enjoy your meals while taking in the incredible views. One of the standout interior features of the Amira Cruises is its spa and wellness center. Designed to offer the ultimate relaxation experience, this area is equipped with a variety of treatment rooms, a sauna, a steam room, and even a beauty salon. For those who like to stay active while cruising, the fitness center is equipped with state-of-the-art equipment, perfect for getting in a workout while still being surrounded by breathtaking views of the water. When it comes to performance, the Amira Cruises truly shines. Powered by advanced propulsion systems, the ship offers smooth and stable cruising, making the entire journey feel comfortable and safe. With its robust engines and high-tech navigation systems, the ship can handle long trips across the ocean without issue. It's built to handle different sea conditions, ensuring a smooth ride no matter where you are. What's more, the Amira Cruises has an impressive fuel efficiency rating, which is becoming increasingly important in the world of luxury cruising. This helps reduce both operational costs and the environmental impact of the vessel. Eco-friendly technologies are integrated throughout the ship to ensure that guests can enjoy their cruise without worrying about the environmental footprint. On top of that, the ship is designed with comfort in mind, offering passengers minimal motion during the cruise, which means fewer people will feel seasick. This is particularly important for those who are new to cruising or are sensitive to motion. The stabilization systems and hull design are carefully engineered to make sure the ship stays steady in rougher waters. So, what sets the Amira Cruises apart from other ships? For one, it combines luxury, comfort, and adventure in one package. While other cruise ships may focus on just one of those aspects, Amira Cruises successfully blends all three. If you're looking for a relaxing cruise experience with plenty of options for entertainment, relaxation, and exploration, this ship ticks all the boxes. Another unique selling point is the ship's connection to the cultural heritage of Vietnam. With its Vietnamese-inspired design and the incorporation of local cuisine and cultural elements, Amira Cruises gives passengers a deeper connection to the destinations it visits. It's not just about sailing from point A to point B. It's about experiencing the culture and the beauty of the regions you're traveling through. The ship's versatility also makes it appealing to a wide range of passengers. Whether you're a solo traveler, a couple on a romantic getaway, or a family with kids, the Amira Cruises offers something for everyone. The variety of onboard activities, dining options, and entertainment choices ensures that no one will ever be bored during their trip. Lastly, the outstanding service and attention to detail make the Amira Cruises stand out. The crew is well trained and focused on providing top-tier hospitality, making sure every guest feels pampered and taken care of throughout the journey. To sum it all up, the Amira Cruises is a truly luxurious, well-rounded vessel that delivers a memorable experience for anyone looking to explore the open seas. Its unique design, elegant interior, impressive performance, and the wide range of amenities make it an unforgettable choice for your next cruise. Whether you're seeking relaxation, adventure, or a bit of both, the Amira Cruises has something for you. Thanks for watching this review. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth boat and yacht reviews. Until next time, keep cruising with Sir Boats Yacht.